GIL TV presents
ज्योत से ज्योत जगाते चलो, प्रेम की गंगा बहाते चलो। राह में आए जो दीन दुखी, सबको गले से लगाते चलो, प्रेम की गंगा बहाते चलो।
दिल्ली पुलिस की वार्षिक प्रेस वार्ता में पुलिस आयुक्त नीरज कुमार ने अपने महकमे की उपलब्धियां बताते हुए अफसरों की तारीफ की। वार्षिक रिपोर्ट में उन्होंने कहा कि वर्ष 2012 वैसे तो हमारे लिए संतोषजनक अंत लेकर आ रहा था, लेकिन 16 दिसंबर को हुई घटना ने इसे बेहद दुखद बना दिया। इस पर जनता ने जो गुस्सा दिखाया वो ज्यादातर पुलिस पर था, और ये प्रदर्शन असामान्य नहीं है, क्योंकि हम सरकार के अंग हैं और ये गुस्सा सिर्फ हमारे खिलाफ नहीं था, बल्कि आपराधिक न्यायिक व्यवस्था पर भी था। वहीं दूसरी तरफ उन्होंने कहा कि वार्षिक रिपोर्ट में हत्या के मामलों में कमी आई है। पुलिस के समक्ष दर्ज कराए गए मामलों के अनुसार 2010 में हत्या के मामलों की संख्या 565, जबकि 2011 में 543 थी। वहीं पिछले साल ये घटकर 521 हो गई। वहीं दूसरी तरफ महिलाओं के संबंध में उन्होंने कहा कि राजधानी में महिलाओं के साथ रेप व छेड़छाड़ के मामलों में 2011 में 572 रेप मामलों की तुलना में वर्ष 2012 में बढ़कर 706 हो गई। आइए देखते हैं ग्रेट इंडिया लीग्स की खास पेशकश।
Women NGOs, principals of schools, girls' schools and colleges, local representatives. You often get busy tone or you do not get an immediate response. So we have decided to increase the number of lines from 60 to 100. And we hope that with this increase, this problem will go. Women and Child Helpline, the numbers of telephone lines having increased from 4 to 10. This will again ensure that no one is kept waiting for her call to materialize. 255 routes have been identified, which are often taken by families and women returning from entertainment hubs or places of work, and these routes are being covered by redeploying our assets like PCR vans, motorcycle patrols, tickets and so on and so forth. Patrolling by beat officers has been intensified around malls, cineplexes and restaurant clusters. And as you may have already, the permit holder must ensure that only such people who have been vetted by us is allowed to drive the vehicle, and he must carry a photo identity card. The PSV metallic badge would not do. It will have to be a photo identity card. The DTC and cluster buses must have GPS on them so that their movements can be monitored. Unauthorized shops which sell liquor, and outside these liquor vents there are people selling snacks or boiled eggs or this and that, and that attracts crowds and drinking goes out in the open, and it is these drunk people who later harass women or eat them. So we have started a drive to clean up all these places, and they will not be allowed to function. If we come to know that in any jurisdiction this is happening, then the officer in charge of that police station will have to pay a very heavy price. We have taken intensified action against drinking in public places, as I said, outside dhabas, juice stalls, parks, etc. And we are enforcing the night curfew after 1 AM by closing down all discotheques and nightclubs, etc., which is actually the time to which has been given to them to close down. To ensure safety of women in trains and in metros, we have carried out joint drives with CISF and RPF, and we hope to continue with them. A large number of commuters, male commuters, have been prosecuted for travelling in ladies' coaches. There have been prosecution of drunken commuters, and there has been detention and checking of suspicious passengers. and we have sent a proposal for regular staff for our 8 metro police stations and 1 railway police station, which has been sent to the government, and hopefully we'll get staff for them. On your screen you can see some figures of the prosecutions that have been done recently. Next. Meeting with NGOs, as I said, is a regular feature, and a lot of ideas come forth during the course of these meetings. In one such meeting, 2 very good ideas came up. One was that the paying guest accommodations and private hostels of women or government working girls hostels should all be security audited. So we identified 218 such premises, and they were security audited, and some very glaring shortfalls were noticed. The people who are the caretakers or who are the owners of these premises have been advised to make good these shortcomings and these shortfalls. And all police stations have been asked to maintain a database of such premises and monitor that the measures that have been suggested are made good. 266 placement agencies. This again is an idea which came from the NGO, that the placement agencies also need to be kept an eye on. So we carried out a thorough scrutiny of all these placement agencies, and as a result of this drive, 52 persons were arrested and 35 cases were registered against placement agencies. A number of placement agencies as a result closed down.
जोत से जोत जगाते चलो, प्रेम की गंगा बहाते चलो, राह में आए जो दीन दुखी सबको गले से लगा